Hi, I'm Eve, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Baccarat Prepare stand-up mandoline. Here's what comes inside the box for the stand-up mandoline. You have the main component, stands up straight. This is the container that catches the food once you start slicing it. That just clicks in, then you take off the safety guard. This is the food chute, so you lift the lever up, click it in, and then turn the handle clockwise to push the blade up. At the back of the mandoline, you have the blade selection and the thickness control. What I love about this product is that it's got nice suction cups on the bottom of it, so when you pop it on your bench, it won't move anywhere. The push is used to protect your hand. And to slice the potato, you're going to push down the lever here, and this will activate the blade. See, perfect slices every time.